how to turn on or turn off show items such as addresses or phone numbers within recently copied text for Gboard on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then from the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Next in here, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, go down and tap on Keyboard List in default. Then tap on Gboard. Next, we scroll down and in here, tap on Clipboard. And from here, tap on Show Items such as addresses, phone numbers within recently copied text. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.